Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 30 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with DOT, followed by BitGet token, Hype, Pi, XMR, Uni, OKB, and then we end with PEPE number 30. Let's get straight into it. DOT against BTC. So here we are for DOT. DOT is still in a downward trend. Any signs of a reversal yet? Not at the moment. Against USD, DOT is still down. I suspect that DOT is going to break into $3. I suspect we're going to break $3. We're at $3.50. And it's very bearish, and we've already taken all of these sell clusters. Everything is wiped. So potentially $3. In my opinion, I think we're gonna head towards $3 for Polkadot. BitGet token, BGB against USD. Here we are for BitGet. BitGet, in my opinion, is turning bearish. Right, something like a head and shoulders potentially in the making. Yeah, this looks to me like a bearish continuation chart pattern, potentially dropping lower, but we're above the skinny pink line, which means that the trend is still largely bullish for BitGet. Hype against USD, so hyper liquid. So we had a target over here previously, and we've already hit targets. Right now, I think that Hype could potentially be forming a inverse head and shoulders. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Drop a little bit more. 14 bucks. Reverse. Complete the right shoulder. Pum. Hit higher. Oh, that'll be awesome. Right. And Hype could be completing a very nice ABCDE kind of a chart pattern before breaking higher. Right. So as it stands, we are looking for that right shoulder. If we get right shoulder, great. More likely than not, more upside for Hype. Pi against USD. Here we are for Pi. We'll look at it on Maxi. Anything for Pi? No, not really though. We almost are taking out this high, right? This is a setup for an eventual break towards the upside. I feel Pi is making moves potentially back towards the upside. But yeah, nothing much for us to work with at this point of time. Monero against BTC is rising, right? Monero against BTC, if you look very carefully, this is a ABCDE kind of a squeeze. We could be heading higher. So Monero against USD is still above the skinny pink line. And we are rallying. The only thing about Monero is that it's not so volatile. Right? It lacks volatility. So yeah, but anyway, Monero, we have 3 targets here. We've already hit target number 1, 240. There's another target here, 326, and then another one, 390. So we're still anticipating more upside. The reason being that Monero has been going sideways for years, literally 22 to 25. And then, okay, 24, 2 years. And after that, pump. We broke out. And I'm expecting the bullish continuation to head towards 326. Uniswap, very disappointingly, is still bearish. We're still under the skinny pink line. This is a new all-time low. This is so sad. So sad. Uni against USD. Feels like, did we take out these lows? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. I think we're going to find some support around this area. So yeah, again, more downside. We're expecting 450 to be taken out eventually. Did we? Yeah, we're almost taking out 450. So yes, this is very sad actually. Oh my god, Uniswap, what's happening? So anyway, we're gonna move on from Uniswap to OKB against USD. Here we are for OKB. OKB is still in a consolidation. I think OKB is about to break higher, potentially past 100 bucks. We're consolidating very tightly. So yeah, I think there's a breakout eventually, potentially coming on for OKB. I kind of like what I see. So yeah, there you go. PEPE against USD. Here we are for PEPE. PEPE is still under the skinny pink line. So for me, PEPE is still a downer. As long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with a bearish bias for PEPE. So how low could PEPE go? I think we're going to clear these lows eventually. I think we're going to clear these lows eventually. So yeah, but this is not complete yet. We haven't seen the chart pattern complete yet, because there's a possibility we could still head towards the skinny pink line. And this whole thing could be a rising channel before we break lower. So we might get some higher highs and some higher lows first before dropping lower. But the trend is largely bearish, and we're expecting PEPE to take out these lows, which means that we'll probably go to sub 400. We're at 700 right now. So yeah, again, I'm expecting potentially a bearish chart pattern over here as we hit lower for PEPE. All right, I guess that's it for our top 30. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.